Hi everybody, it's 22120 here and welcome to this lovely afternoon at Markinch. Today we'll be seeing services by ScotRail and VTEC, including some of the diverts due to the Perth and Stirling track work. You'll be seeing fast Glasgow Queen Street and Aberdeen services. You'll also be seeing the Inverness to London King's Cross diverted through Fife due to the track work as well. And you'll be seeing a few ScotRail services between Dundee and Edinburgh as well. You'll also be seeing the fast Aberdeen to London King's Cross HST as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. .43, 312 and 316 running a fast Inverness to London King's Cross VTEC service. One 170-454 and 170-343 running a fast Glasgow Queen Street to Aberdeen service, which is diverted via Fife due to track work on the Perth and Stirling line. Passing through is a Virgin East Coast HST running Aberdeen to London King's Cross. .43, 307 and 43, 257 Bounds Green. That's 170-453 running a fast Glasgow Queen Street to Aberdeen service. There's another one that's been diverted around the Fife Circle due to track work on the Perth and Stirling line. Bye!
This is Markinch. This train is for Edinburgh Waverley. The next stop is Kirkcaldy.